I think I should save the rifle bullets as well.
NANI?!
The moose! The moose is here! Oh my gosh! He's not been here in so long! The rifle! The rifle! The rifle! The rifle! I think I should save the rifle bullets as well. Rifle. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, we've not seen him in so long.
I think I should save the rifle bullets as well.
Miracle. It's a 100-day miracle. I can't shoot a moose with a rifle. I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm going to try. I'm going to try to do it. And I'm scared. And he's gone. Wolf? Are you scared of me? I'm a bear. I'm a big bear. Arr! He's scared of me! It worked! I'm a genius! The moose might have seen me. Okay, guys, aiming. How do I do it? I crouch low, and I sneak closer. But I'm still very close to my door to get back into the Quonset. How many... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, he's right there. I hate this so much. I don't want to go closer. I want to stay at the safety of my back door. But where even is he now? Is he behind that house? What's happening? Thank you for the gift subs. Oh no. This guy sees me and he's not scared of me. You guys, this is my moose hunt. Do not. There's a wolf over there. I hate this so much. I feel like I hear a wolf. Oh my gosh. Oh my golly. I'm about to get killed by a wolf, aren't I? I mean the moose. Like, the noise is so crazy for the moose. It sounds like it's behind me. I think I should save the rifle bullets as well. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This makes me so sad. I love moose. He's about to die, no? I've killed a moose, no. 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 Is he dying? Do I have to shoot him again? He is resilient. I think I missed. I only have one shot left. How did I shoot 5 times? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. If I could steer him towards my ice fishing hut for the butchering, you don't even know. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna kill a moose in this game. No! I love you. I love you so much. Oh, I hate this. it. I've got to get closer. I'm so bad with the rifle. I need him to like face me almost. He's gonna die. He's gonna die. I'm gonna kill him. No, I'm not. I'm gonna miss. I need like a headshot or something. I don't even know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I should stop and shoot right here. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, he doesn't even care. He doesn't even care that I'm right here.
What you say? Oh, that you only meant well, well, 'cause you did.
Oh! Oh! I'm sorry! I did it! Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh! My heart is pounding! Oh! Oh! Oh, you're so pretty! Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh. I'm not a baby. I hate hunting so much. I hate hunting. Do not hunt. Do not hunt. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay.
Go to DP, Stacy. Go to Desolation point.